What if energy simply never disappears? Picture a roller coaster cresting its first hill, paused at the peak. Right there, potential energy is at its highest. As it plunges downward, that energy transforms into speed. And through every twist, the total energy stays exactly the same. Next, watch a pendulum swing. At its highest point, it holds potential energy. As gravity pulls it down, that energy shifts into motion, peaking as kinetic energy at the bottom. Then it climbs again, switching back without losing energy. Now let's prove it with real numbers and real, tangible physics proofs. Imagine the pendulum's height converts gravitational potential energy mgh into kinetic form 1/2 mv superscript 2. At the lowest swing, if we calculate 1/2 mv superscript 2 and add mgh from any remaining height, the sum equals the initial mgh at the top. Graphs and formulas confirm this. Even with changing heights and speeds, potential plus kinetic always totals the same. In an ideal frictionless system, no energy vanishes. That's the beauty of conservation. Finally, let's bring this into your world. Picture a skateboarder at the top of a ramp. Gravity pulls them downward, swapping potential energy into speed as they cruise. When they roll up the opposite side, speed transforms back into height. Every jump, trick, and descent obeys the same incredibly unbreakable rule. Energy shifts form but never disappears. This powerful realization empowers you to analyze any motion. Conservation of mechanical energy isn't just simple theory, it's everywhere you move and play. Energy never dies, it only transforms, and that knowledge empowers everything you do. Explore the physics behind your favorite rides.